If you own a motorcycle and need an easy way to clean your chain, do maintenance, or lift the rear wheel safely, this might be one of the best motorcycle stands for the money. Today I'm showing you the Vevor motorcycle rear wheel stand that I use on both of my bikes. I've been using this rear wheel stand on my Yamaha MT-07 and my Honda Rebel 500, and honestly, it's been super solid so far. Before we continue, this is not a sponsored video. Vevor did not send this to me. I purchased this motorcycle stand with my own money, and this is my honest review after actually using it on both of my motorcycles. For my MT-07, setup is quick and simple. Once the stand is lined up under the swing arm, all it takes is steady pressure and the rear wheel lifts right off the ground. This stand has 850-pound load capacity, heavy-duty steel construction, and adjustable L-shaped fork heads that make it really easy to fit different motorcycles. Lowering the bike back down feels controlled and stable. Definitely one person can handle it. Now let's switch over to my 2023 Honda Rebel 500 CMX SE so you can see how it works on a completely different style motorcycle. One thing I really like is how fast you can adjust the fork heads. The rubber sleeves help protect the swing arm from scratches, and the stand itself feels strong and stable once positioned correctly. Assembly was easy, and this has become one of those tools I use all the time, especially for cleaning and lubing my motorcycle chain. Even on Rebel 500, lifting the rear tire is straightforward. No complicated setup, no extra help needed. And just like that, lowering the bike back down is quick and controlled. Overall, for the price, I've honestly been really happy with the stand. I'll drop the link down below in the description if you want to check it out. If you do your own maintenance, a rear wheel stand like this makes life so much easier. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss future motorcycle videos, and smash that like button because it really helps out the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.